Hello, my Math Independent Study student. The objective for this video is multiplying radicals. So let's just look at these three properties. If I have a product raised to a power, I can write them as individual factor to the same powers. Even my power is a fraction or my exponent is a fraction, or I have an x root of a product of a times b. I can write them as x root of a times x root of b. So now we are going to apply this concept to solve the following example. So here we want you to simplify or find the product of two square roots of 18 times square root of 16. So we are going to apply the property that square root of a times square root of b is square root of a times b. So we're going to put the 18 and the 16 under one square root symbol. And next step we will multiply, so that will give us 288. Now 288 is not a perfect square, so we are going to look for a perfect square. So so what are number to be perfect square? For example, 9 is perfect square because that's a 3 square, and then 16 is a perfect square, and then you have 25, and then you have 36, and then you have 49, so far and so on. So if you have 12 square be 144. So I'm looking right here, so I can write them as 144 times 2, so that will be 12 square. And so now I'm going to go ahead and again I'm using the property x root of a times x root of b equals x root of a times b. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go from the product of x root of a. I can break them into two radicals with the same index. So right here I'm going to break them as square root of 12 square times square root of 2. So now square root of 12 square, again we have the power 2 and the index or the root is also 2. So basically if we write them as fraction exponent, that will give us just 12. So I'm just go ahead and make sure that I will end up a positive, so I'll put them at the absolute value. So I'm going to do absolute value of 12. So I'll make a note over here. When you take the square root of x squared, you don't know, because we don't know what is x, so I'm going to go ahead and do the absolute value of x. So absolute value of 12 times square root of 2, because 2 is prime, we cannot do nothing. So you do 12 times square root of 2. So therefore your final answer will be the product of the two square root of 18 and square root of 16 is 2 square root of 12. So this will be the conclusion for this video. Make sure you write down your own summary, and thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.